Hi guys! Sorry, no makeup yet. I did just want to go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be using the Book of Magic palette by Beauty Bay. They actually came out with a palette recently that's super similar to this one, if not pretty much the same. It's just reformulated. This was a limited edition palette, but I'm just mostly going to be using the browns in this palette. I want to do a halo eye, and really, I'm using this palette just because I haven't used it in a while. Not for any like bad reason. I just have a lot of palettes that I had to get through, and that's not a brag. It's actually kind of a problem. Alright, so I brought you in nice and close, maybe a little too close. But like I said, no face makeup yet, so you're gonna see my dark circles in all their glory. But I'll put that on later on off camera. But the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with the GERARD Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. I just love how opaque this base is. I've used it in every video that I've done so far. I have pretty oily eyelids, and this is the only base that I've used so far that is like this opaque, is a wet base but doesn't make my eyeshadow crease. The P. Louise ones, I've tried everything. Everything you can think of under the sun. I've tried so hard to get that base not to crease on me, but I think I just have oilier eyelids than most people because I can't use P. Louise. So you know what? I thought about it and I think I'm gonna go in with dang, have I used black in almost every video I've done? But I do want to use black. It's the color Hex here, and I just dug my finger in it. Fantastic. It's the color Hex here. And I'm going to use this brush I got from the Morphe Sweet Oasis brush set. I use this brush all the time as like a starter. And it's just described on the website as like an eyeliner brush. It's just a skinny, small brush I use to map out the shape that I want my eye look to be. So I do have a hood there. What I do when I map out my eye or my eyeshadow shape, I kind of just go right over the hood and then I'll connect it once I get it down. But yeah, keep this black line super skinny. Maybe even a little skinnier than what I just made here. And I'm really pretty much just following my eye crease line, crease shape. Alright, and once you have that all mapped out, I'm gonna go in with the color, it's a dark brown called Manifest, which is this color here. And I'm going to use a Morphe M431 pencil brush and take that color and just start patting it right on top of the black. And the next brush I'm going to use is the Sigma E36 blending brush. It's very similar to the Morphe M562, and with light motions I'm going to take this next color, which I forgot to show you. It's this color here, no it's not, it's Amulet. Amulet. And I'm just gonna start putting it right on top of the dark brown here. I'm gonna use very soft, small, circular motions. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the palette I had said that was very similar to this one that Beauty Bay came out with. It's called Age of Opulence. So what I want to do now is take the dark brown Manifest and just start bringing him back in here. I feel like it kind of disappeared. And what I'm also gonna do to blend that brown line out more is take the light brown Amulet on this smaller shadow brush and just start putting it right on top of that dark brown line. If this comes out bad, don't judge me too hard. I've been trying to film a video all weekend and they just have not been working out. Okay, I don't think it looks too bad now. Maybe I'm just being hard on myself. I swear I don't usually have this much trouble. I think I'm just having an off week. Look at my other videos. Don't pass judgment on me on this one, please. And I'm just gonna take this angled fluffy brush here. And the color I'm using is, the shade is called Vanish. And I'm just using it to diffuse that orangey light brown, so it kind of just fades into my skin. I was going to use a DANESSA MYRICKS Twin Flames that I haven't been able to use yet for the halo eye, but I don't know, I think I might be second guessing that. I feel like the colors should go technically, but I don't know, with the luck I've been having recently, this is what I want to use. I feel like it should be fine. I'm telling you, all weekend it's just been fails, to be frank. Next I'm going to take this Lunar Beauty brush LBE-5 and I'm going to take the black color called Hex and just start packing it into the inner and outer corners. This is where it's going to start looking like an actual halo eye. And I'm not going to pull it too far over. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M709, which is this here. And I'm going to take the dark brown Manifest and pat it on the edge of the black here. I'm gonna make sure not to bring it too far over. So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and use the DANESSA MYRICKS Twin Flames liquid eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. I have black stuff on my finger. But this is Twin Flames in the shade Obsession. I kept this area blank so that I'd get the most payoff. I can just cut the crease with this. And to blend that out, I'm going to take Manifest, which is that dark brown, and just start patting it on the edges here. I might need to go in with a brush with the Twin Flames to clean it up a little bit. As per usual, my eyelid is sabotaging me. Alrighty, so I'm gonna stop messing with it and I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup and do my other eye. And you know, if you ever want me to do my face makeup on camera, let me know. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm best at the eye makeup portion, even though I seem to be struggling today and yesterday. and the day before that. But anyway, I'll be right back. It is pouring down rain right now, so if you hear that, Mother Nature. But we're all done here. I hope you like how the look turned out. I do. I think the twin flames really just amped it up to like 100, and after I got all my makeup on, I was like, okay, this is good. Hopefully whatever was going on is out of my system. Do you ever just kind of forget something you've been doing for a while for absolutely no reason? That was me for the past 3 days. But if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. You're the best. If you have any questions or if you just want to say hi, feel free to leave a comment below. All of the makeup on my face, it'll be in the description box below. My lashes are JackieJukuBeauty lashes in the style Princesa, and I do have an affiliate code if you'd like to give them a try. It'll be in the description box. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.